Welcome back to AV Shop. Today I will make a tilt hole for my cooling head part 2, and also I will have to make the cooling fins with a special support. And before the finish it will be another surprise, because it's arrived a new sticker from England too. So let me show you what I did this time. Well, we have to make this holes, this tilt hole have an angle that is 13 degrees. So it's not a problem to bring this and to rotate something like this and to make the tilt angle, so with the vertical. This is not a problem. The problem is this. So you can rotate, but how to regulate this? Because the line that pass from here to here have to be parallel to the plane of the table, of the milling table. So I use the same support that I use until now to make this hole. But of course, before I have to make something like this, and after something like this. So I will use this support. Okay, so I will make with my milling machine. So I will make this, so this line parallel to this plane, and after I will bring on the vise of my milling machine, and I will put at I don't know if you see, I will put at 13 degrees, and I will make the hole. Well, this is the end of part 2. I have to say you that I'm happy of the results. The hole is in correct place. I have to tap by hand with the 1/4 32 unit, and okay, it's perfect like my drawing. And maybe I have to remake the inlet of the screw M14+1, but okay, yeah, we are at the end of this part 2. Very happy. And this is the new sticker that come from England too. Come from Garden Tractor Boy channel. This is my friend Joseph. In this channel he's helping his dad to restore these fantastic small tractors. Frankly speaking, I have to say that I have him a lot. Why? Because with this experience he is touching all the parts of the tractors. So the chassis, the transmission, the hydraulics, the electronics, and so on. First of all. And second, he works with his daddy. So just this is wonderful. He has also a very nice workshop, complete with a nice milling machine, lathe like a Colchester Student MK1 I think, and many other machines. So you have to visit his very nice channel. Thanks also Joseph for the message that you write to me in a perfect English, of course, not like mine. And you will find also the link to his channel in the description of my video. So thanks for watching. AB Shop.
Snowflakes falling down, it's Christmas time, but you're